What's up guys, it's me Caitlin from CASEKII and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a silicone case unboxing. The brand of the case is CASEKII. I got this silicone case in the navy blue color. And if you go to Amazon, currently, at the time I'm filming this, the price is $12.99. I got this case about 3.5 weeks ago, and whenever I purchased it, it was $15.99. So there has been a $3 price drop, so if you decide to get it now, the link will be in the description. You're getting it for less than I had to pay for it. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, but without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Alright, so we have the packaging right here, and I think it looks really nice. I like the light blue coloring, and then, you get a little sneak peek. I did open this packaging up like 3 weeks ago because I've been using the case for a while now, but I'm finally getting this unboxing done. So I put everything back in its packaging, so some things might look a little opened up, but for the most part, it's all brand new. We have our CASEKII logo right there, and then we have a little slogan, and I like the, adding the color to it. On the back, it shows you how to install this case. Let's go ahead and open it up. So you can slide it out like that, but on Amazon, this case is a 5-in-1. So not only does it come with the silicone case, but it comes with 2 screen protectors. 2 screen protectors right here, which is really nice, especially if you're getting a brand new phone. I already have a screen protector on my phone, so I won't be needing these yet, but it's good to have. And then we have the silicone case in its packaging. It is in the navy blue color, but obviously it's in packaging right now, so we won't see that yet. But let me set that aside. It also comes with a kickstand, which I think is really cool because if you're one to watch movies, maybe Netflix or something on your phone, you're able to do that with this kickstand. And then we have this little thank you card, which I think that's really nice. Good customer service. Has a full-on paragraph on anything if we have any concerns with the product. Good job, CASEKII. And then with the 2 screen protectors, it comes with 2 packages of screen protector accessories. And lastly, we have this little it claims to be like this recyclable cloth that we can use to wipe down our phone if we ever need to. It actually looks like a big cloth. And then operation instruction, which it's a case, so we probably won't be needing this paperwork, but let's look at the accessories that it comes with. Alright, so we have a lot of stuff here. For $12.99, that's a lot of stuff you're getting. I think that's a really good deal. We have our 2 screen protectors. Pretty basic. We know what those are. Protect the screen of your phone. Then we have the accessories, which I'm assuming is, one of those wet wipes and then dry wipe, and just things that help you apply the screen protector to your phone. Now, if I open up this kickstand, it kind of just opens up like that, and then you can get your phone and just put it on like this. It lays really well horizontally, and then vertically, I don't think it would do as well, but it's definitely doable. So I don't know if I'll be using this that often, but definitely if I decide to watch, a long YouTube video or a TV series or movie, I could use this. Then we have our cloth. It's a nice size. I don't know, the material doesn't feel super smooth or soft, but I think that if you're just wiping smudges off, it'll do the job. It also claims to be recyclable, so that might play a role in the way this feels. But of course, now we have our main attraction, the actual silicone case. Disclaimer, I've been using this for a couple weeks, so it might have a little dust on it or something, but it's a good case. So we have our little linen inside, so it's soft. So when our phone's in there, it won't get scratched up or anything. It is shock absorbent. I haven't had any real falls for that to be tested, but I hope it is. Then we have the case. This is what it looks like from the back. It's a navy blue color, and and I think it looks really good with my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro. And the buttons are really responsive and cutouts are really nice. But let me show it to you guys with the phone in the case. And I'm just gonna... It's a really easy application process. And now we have the phone in the case. So, this is what it looks like from the front. There are raised lips for the camera and the front of the screen. So when you're putting it down, it hits the case first before it hits the phone. So I think that's really good. And here's what it looks like from the back. We have a nice camera cutout, perfect. And we see those raised lips in action. Then we have more buttons. Very responsive, perfect cutout for the ringer button. And also perfect cutout for the charging port and the speakers. And yeah, I really like this case. I've been using it for about 3.5 weeks and I've enjoyed every second of it. When I first switched from my Kate Spade case to this one, it felt very slippery, but I think it's just me getting used to it. It doesn't feel slippery at all. I have a good grip on the case. So the only downside to this one though is that when I'm using it and I put it in my pocket, it doesn't just slide right in because it's silicone. It kind of rubs against my pocket, so I have to shove it in a little more. And then when I take it out, lint or any dust might stick to this case. But in a couple minutes, like as I'm using it, it kind of just goes away. I don't know how, I haven't paid much attention to it. But yeah, those are only some of my minor concerns. But other than that, this case has been working for me just fine, and I really like it. Like every once in a while, I just turn my phone around and just admire it. So I'm really happy with my decision. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy this case just as much as I do. Just like the clear case for the iPhone 13, I'm loving the way this case looks on my phone. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one.